Hello, everyone. Welcome to this video where we'll explore AI-powered business intelligence and answer an important question. Can non-technical managers truly use it to make smarter decisions? As businesses grow, data grows with them. Every day, more records are generated from sales, operations, employees, and customers. Managing and understanding all this data can quickly become overwhelming. That's where AI analytics comes in. With AI analytics, you can easily get the data you want by using natural language queries. Just ask, in plain text, and you'll be able to get insights with just a few clicks. Now let's look how Bold BI helps you in your business. It converts raw data sets into interactive dashboards, charts, and reports, making complex data easy to understand at a glance. It can pull raw data from databases, spreadsheets, cloud services, and APIs, allowing companies to analyze data from different systems in one place. Bold BI provides data modeling and transformation features that help filter, join, and clean raw data before analysis, improving data quality. Real-time and scheduled data updates ensure decision-makers always work with current information, reducing reliance on manual reports. Non-technical users can explore raw data, create reports, and answer business questions without depending heavily on IT teams. Bold BI has generative AI and a unified AI agent powered by large language models, streamlining the entire analytics workflow. Generative AI tools include AI Copilot, a conversational chat tool that simplifies data exploration and dashboard creation, helping users visualize data and uncover insights effortlessly. AI Agent? The AI agent enables data analysis through visualizations without modifying existing dashboards or reports. Dashboard Summary. The dashboard summary provides concise insights by highlighting key trends, anomalies, and important statistics within a dashboard. Widget Insights. Widget Insights deliver focused insights for individual widgets, including trends, anomalies, and statistical highlights. With unified AI, the experience becomes even more powerful. You can choose your preferred data source for visuals and get a summary of it. Also, you can instantly generate a summarized interpretation of a dashboard. This enables quicker understanding, better interpretation, and confident, data-driven decision-making. Let's look at an example. Imagine you're in HR managing daily employee attendance stored in an Excel file. With Bold BI, you can connect your Excel file as a data source, create a dashboard to monitor attendance trends and patterns, and gain AI-powered insights instantly. Let's get started. On your dashboard server, start by clicking the Data Sources icon. From there, select New Data Source and Create Data Source. Search for and select Excel. Then enter a name for the data source and an optional description. Upload the Excel file and select Connect. Confirm the extraction process when prompted. Once connected, you'll be taken to the Data Source Designer, where you can drag and drop the data onto the design canvas. Preview it to ensure accuracy, and then save and exit. At this point, your raw data is successfully connected and ready for analysis. To create a dashboard, click the three-dot menu beside the connected data source and select Create Dashboard. On the design page, I'll use the AI Copilot to create an employee attendance details dashboard. Once created, customize it to align with your specific goals. Preview the dashboard to review the results. To publish it, close the preview and select Publish. In the dialog box, update the details if needed and select Publish. Select Yes to open the dashboard. Now you can view the AI-generated dashboard summary, which provides a clear, high-level overview of key trends and insights. You can also explore AI-powered widget insights to gain deeper, more focused analysis on individual visuals, helping you understand patterns, anomalies, and performance metrics with ease. Now you can simplify your work and empower your teams with AI-powered BI that requires no technical skills. To learn more about Bold BI, visit boldbi.com. Start a free 30-day trial by clicking the Try It Free option. If you want a demo from an expert, schedule a call by clicking Request Demo. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching.